Good day. So I'm about to discuss to you Power BI Pagination Chapter 3. So before I start, please follow my page Prof Dale and my YouTube account Prof Dale 7. So here are my other FB pages, namely Prof Dale and then iMerge IT Consultancy for anyone who wants to ask for my help on building some system using .NET, Java, PHP, or anything out of the blue. And then if you would like to learn some skills, programming skills to be specific, you could for free you could visit YouTube channel Prof Dale 7. Okay, so for updates, you can just like and follow my page on Facebook. So I'll just update you here on my Prof Dale whenever I do an upload or do some uh, promos. Okay, so let's get started with the tutorial with this one. Okay, so going back, let's say we're done with um, creating tables and updating tables or manipulating it as well using Power BI. So now let's say we would like to create a page. Okay, so we're gonna do a page to page navigation. So for us to do that one, it's like here this is page 1 and then this would be page 2. Okay, so on the page 1, let's say here is page 1, so having this employee name, designation, then department. So let's say we would see the employee salary on the next page. So what will we do? So simply, let's say we're gonna create our page here, and then let's say employee, and then salary there. So the page 2 indicates the salary. Okay, so let's say salary here. Oops, sorry. Salary. Okay, and then page 1 would be the employee information. Employee information page. Okay, there. So now we will create a filter. Okay, so here, or a slicer here. So the slicer would be this one. Okay, then I'll gonna convert this one to drop down, and then on the salary, same thing. Okay, there, same thing here, right? So employee, for example, gonna make this one as drop down there. So now let's say I want to filter this one to Bulldog. Okay, the employee name Bulldog, so there. So let's say I would like to go to that next page, which is salary. So I'm gonna create a button here. Oops, wait. Gonna go to insert and then go to this one button here and then click blank. Where is it? Okay, so gonna click on the there. Wait, another thing. So let's say gonna click anywhere here. So let's say click create button. Okay, so this would be the button. Okay, so this button will redirect you to a page. So how will I do the redirection? On the button you click it and then you turn on the action and then go to pagination. So the pagination let you navigate from one page to another. Okay, so let's say Bulldog here. Imagine it's using Bulldog here, so it's been filtered employee name equal to Bulldog, and then this one, let's say I'm gonna name this one to a page, to name this page as, okay, salary, going to that destination page, which is salary. Don't forget to choose page navigation here, and then go to general, and then go click the title here, there. So I'm gonna type, let's say, salary, okay, so there. So I'm gonna click this one, redirect there. So as you can see, it is not yet synchronized with the filter. So I want to add another button here for me to go back on that page, previous page. I'm gonna click button here, there, and then I'm gonna name this one as same as the old thing a while ago. It's like gonna enable this title, and then go back here, and then employee info information, okay, there. So this is a button. So let's say I will navigate here, going back on that one. So I'm gonna enable the action here. So change this one to pagination, then destination to employee table, employee information, I mean. So I'm gonna click this one, okay, okay. So now let's say I will click this one. So go to home, insert, look for, you're gonna click this slicer first. So the reason I click this, and let's say the requirement would be if I want this filtered value to be synchronized on the next page. So what I'm gonna do is gonna click this one, okay, go to format, okay. So look at this one. So what's this one? So for further studies, let's say I would like to synchronize this one and not the other table. So let's say I'm gonna create, okay, so I'm gonna demonstrate something here. So we're gonna just move this one here, and then we're gonna create a demo here, a quick demo. So this one, let's say I would add another, let's say, employee name here, there. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna click the interaction here a while ago. So click this one, and then go back on the format, and then click edit interaction. So let's say I would like to disable this table, okay. It will not synchronize on the slicer. Let's say I chose Bulldog, it will not show Bulldog here, okay. So by pressing this in that edit interaction. So first things first, I'll gonna let this one all first. So let's say gonna click this one, and then go to views, okay, click this slicer here, okay, wait, there, just put it down here. So click this one, okay, then click format, then edit interaction. So let's say I'm gonna disable this one, pressing this one. So every time I change this one to other values like James, the only table that would change is on the right side. It's because I intentionally disable the table interaction on the first table. See? So let's say I would like to sync it again. So go to format, and then edit interaction. We need to see first the icon here, okay. So now click this one, so it will synchronize, it will work the way you want it to be, okay. So let's say click this one and then go to Justdale. There, see, there you are. So it's working perfectly. And then look at this. Let's say you would like to sync this this slicer going to the next page. Imagine if you selected employee name here, and then you want to display here the employee name bulldog as well. So how will we do it? So clicking this one again, and then sync this slicer. Okay, so I want this one to sync on the all the tables. Okay, there. So let's say we're gonna try it. So let's say okay, there, advanced option, there, doing good. It's enter a group name to sync. So employee name. Okay, there you are. Okay, so gonna close this one, close this one, close this one. There. So let's say I will choose a Justdale, my name of course. So I'm gonna go through this next page. See, so it's synchronized. The synchronization from page 1 to page 2 is working already. So let's say I'm gonna change this one to James. Okay, so going back. Okay, wait. Pagination. Remove, just create another. Okay, so button, view, bookmark. Sorry, not bookmark. Let's say gonna pick up a button, gonna create a button again, blank there. Then for this button, I'll just name this one as, and enable this one for me to name it. Let's say employee info. Okay, so next would be I'll gonna add some action here. So instead of back, I'm gonna go through with a page navigation, and then destination would be employee information. Okay, the previous page. So I'm gonna click this one. Come on, it's not working. Okay, you're gonna save it first. Okay. Oh wait. So let's say here is the button. Click it. There. It's moving. So back in again. Justdale. Okay. So I'm gonna click it again here. So there. So it's properly synchronized. So what if I'm gonna click this one up? Click plus click here to follow link. Wait. So there's a certain bug. That's why it's not working, right? Okay, so we're gonna check it first here. Gonna do a troubleshooting. Gonna click this one and then go home. Check the synchronization. There. Of course, it's working. Change other slicer. Change to other slicer. Good. So we're doing it good. Okay, so this would be a clear bug. Imagine I already did the correct one. Okay, so just click save and then just close it again. Gonna open it again. If this happened, it's a clear bug. Imagine we did it correctly. I'm just reopening it, okay? isn't if this not work, I just recreate the page, a quick recreation. Okay. Okay, so going back, close. I'm back in this table, salary, there, then employee. Come on. Let's put remove again. Just recreate it. Let's say, insert button. Let's say blank page. Okay. There, and then let's say change this action to something like type page navigation, go to employee information. Okay, so let's say there, see, so it's working. So I just recreate the button. So if that happens again, okay, just simply recreate that object. So this one, I just rename this one for demo purposes. Imp, sorry, employee info. Okay, so this is a button. Okay, so now let's say press this one to James. Okay, there you are. There, so there, see, so it's working already. Okay, so let's say James, let's say Jess again, one more, Saturday Jess. Okay, so that ends our pagination. Thank you guys and have a nice day.